Hi, I'm Dr. Prathima Murthy. I'm the director of NIMHANCE and a psychiatrist by training. Almost 1 in 100 children all over the world have what is called the autism spectrum disorders. This primarily means that the child has difficulty in communication, in language, in developing connectedness, may have a lot of what we call stereotypic or repetitive behavior, and may have other behavioral abnormalities. This condition occurs because of neurodevelopmental problems. Training the child, training the parents and other caregivers to look after the child, trying to integrate the child's education and later the child's integration with society are all very important. I want to congratulate KLU for this very important initiative, and I hope it brings families of children who suffer from autistic spectrum disorders together to work together to try and understand the disorder, to help and participate in the research, but most importantly, to help the children get along and become successful in life.